YouTube, what's goody? Your boy back. I'm about to get busy, man. It's been a while. Finally got some clear weather. First thing first, I'm about to take these doors off. Let's go. All right, got all the doors off except the passenger side door. I gotta get the mirror. I gotta unhook the mirror from the dash before I snatch that one off. So what I'm about to do now is all my bumpers and stuff that I painted. I'm about to snatch all this stuff out so I can be able to get in there. Probably gonna have to get up under that dash. Get in there, get up under that dash so I can go ahead and snatch that out. I cut y'all back on once I got all the doors off. I got all my panel stands. I'm gonna set my doors up, clean all of them up, clean all these door jams up, and get busy. All right, so boom, I finally got all these damn doors off. To get that mirror out was hell, yo. All the doors off. And I'm about to go ahead and clean up, start sanding, getting everything right to paint. And hit these doors. There's a whole bunch of stuff inside them doors too. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna clean them out. Get everything ready to paint. Tell me that color combination ain't gonna hit. I told you I was trying to go for that Carolina Panther blue. I couldn't get it, so I'm gonna change the name to Summer Rain. Yes, sir. Summer Rain, baby. Let me get busy. Yes, sir. That bitch wet. Yes, sir. The camera don't do it justice, man. The color way different from what it show on the camera, I swear. But yeah, your boy been getting busy. Your boy been getting busy. Got all the door jams painted on the car and the doors. So now I can start putting this thing together. Trunk, I gotta paint these screws. I'm gonna take these screws out, paint these screws, and I got the screws that came out of the doors. I'm gonna paint them too. I got the bumper filler put on. Put the bumper filler on yesterday. I got the bumper filler put on. Get this thing ready to paint. But yeah, now I can start putting the car back together, baby. Doors painted. Doors painted. Chevy almost done, dog. Painting almost done anyway. Man. I'm almost to the shit talking stage of my build. Telling you that right now. As soon as I get this bitch put back together, start rebuilding my engine. Once that engine go in there, oh, shit talking level gonna be goddamn sky high, and they gonna be talking buku shit. Get that motherfucker. Yes, sir. Y'all better find somebody to play with, dog. Y'all better find somebody to play with. When I pull this bitch out, it's gonna be a problem now. I'm telling you what I know. Next order of business, take all that shit off. I want to paint the firewall too. You too, what's good? Hey, look, I came over here last night because I thought it was gonna rain. I pulled the car in here, and the harness got caught under the tie and ripped off. So now I gotta solder this up. I gotta repair these wires and hit them all with some solder. Put the heat shrink on them, clean them up, so I can go ahead and put these doors back on, and I'm gonna put the trunk on. I'll cut y'all back on when I get done. YouTube. Got them doors on, baby. Got the trunk on. It's go time, man. It is go time. Feel good to see the car as a car again. Yes, sir. All the jams are painted. I got my wires fixed too from that harness that I snatched out. Soldered all that up real pretty light. Put some heat shrink and some tape on it. So yeah, had to fix that. But yeah, man, she back together. I got a little dent action on this door. I'm gonna knock that dent action out, and then the rest of it's smooth. Like, it's just gonna be getting all smooth down, flat, probably a few dings here and there, little stuff like that. But other than that, it's gonna be smooth. Yes, sir. Go time, man. Y'all stay tuned now. Y'all stay tuned. I got that color hitting up there. I probably could have taken that off, but it's alright. And look how that color hit. Whew! Look how she busting out the seams though. I gotta get some replacement bolts. Some of them bolts is messed up for the door jambs. So I think like this one missing one, each one of them missing like one bolt. I'm just gonna order a whole set of new ones for both sides. Just put all new bolts in it. I'll probably get some new bolts and put in the trunk. Go time, baby. Let me turn this camera off and get busy. I'll catch y'all later. I got that thing jacked up. I'm about to take all the wheels off. First thing I'm gonna do, start stripping all this stuff right here down. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this right here up. Cause I wanna go ahead and get the frame bare so I can paint the frame. So when it's time to put the core support and everything back on, I ain't gotta worry about taking it off. Cause once I put this front end on the car, it's staying up there. It's not coming back off. Let me go ahead and get started on taking this stuff off the front. Alright, YouTube, I got all the tires off. Got them things over here. Well, these things is done for. Look at the rot on that. Well, yeah, I'm about to start tearing all this down. Get all this out the way. Everything up front will be replaced. Motor mounts, front suspension, sway bar, all that. All that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off and get it out my way. Man, I can't find a hammer. But I did find them Allen keys. I needed that to get them brakes off. I gotta go buy me a sledgehammer. There she go. Well, the thing came through. What? All right, so far, I got those. These are the parts I got off the front end. Next, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the sway bar. Get that out of the way. Broke that bitch and hit my thumb. My fucking thumb already hurting. God damn. Shit. Cut the camera. Cut. I'm trying to keep my thumbs clear, dog. That shit hurt. just break. The other side broke too. These both got some rust right here. This extension feel like it's unnecessary. Damn, I can't get. Man. You know what? I got a trick for that. I ain't about to sit here and play with it. I ain't about to sit here and play with it. There's a reason why I buy power tools, damn it. See if I can aim it over there, the other one. I ain't about to move the camera. What's good, bro? Oh, shit. Yeah, she in there. Chillin'. Trying to get this bitch right. Yeah. Get out of there. That boat done for that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Well, that's the stuff I done took off right there. Sway bar. Some of that front suspension, tie rod, and all that good stuff. And them things. That's what the bumper connect to. So, if you notice on earlier videos, that on the driver's side, my bumper sat in a little bit. This is why. Do I gotta replace them? That one? I don't know. Yeah. Let me get these bolts. It's another thing I do too. As I take it off, I keep all the bolts with the stuff. Keep it right where it go. See, I put the nuts and bolts back up there. Put the bolts back on there. All the bolts from there is up there. That way you won't lose nothing. All this gonna be replaced, but still, it's in good condition. Keep the bolts with it. I don't know if I'm gonna replace them or that. I might be reusing this, but I'm getting a new sway bar. We'll see. See what kind of kicks I can find. But yeah, let me stop all this talking and get back to work. I don't know, man. I don't trust that spring and shit, man. I don't watch some videos. That shit kind of tricky. Matter of fact, I'm about to watch some videos. See about getting the control arms off and everything. And that spring. Cut y'all back on. And now I'm about to get these brakes off. I already bust loose the brake line. But when I take these off, I'm just gonna, I don't want it scratching on that. Take it all the way off. Might need to find something to let that drip in. These damn mosquitoes is hell, bro. I'm telling you. That's another, he ain't got no pin in it. Well, I need some PB. Shit. Oh, I got some around here somewhere. Keep some PB. Shit. I ain't trying to bust my knuckle though, dog. Cool. Shit. Ooh. Ooh. Cars don't look too bad. Alright. There's one off. Maybe he stand his ass up in there. Put your ass up on for that. Right there. Come on, there we go. Yeah, it's not too bad. Alright. Alright. Down long. Screw. Whatever it is. Get one back in there. Got the calipers and the brake pads off. I think the next best thing to do would be go ahead and get these spin. I can keep that connected to the spindle. Go ahead and get these spindles off. And that'll free up the control arms. I think. I don't know, I'm gonna watch the video. I'm gonna go to YouTube, watch the video right quick. Alright, it's the next day. And I've been out here for hours fighting. Trying to get them pins out of these bolts. Now I got it out of 3 of them. But that one down there, I pretty destroyed. So now, I'm just gonna try to muscle it off. The other 3, I got the pin out. I already got all this loose. Ready to snatch that out. Gotta loosen them up there. The dog. That's what 30 years. 30 plus years get you now. Got some weight to it. Damn. There we go. Just let it go. Ooh. Ooh. Boy, that shit just lifted the whole car. Alright, fine, got one side off. It's been 8 fucking hours. Damn. Top control on off. All right. Yeah, that's the most sketchiest shit I ever done. Yeah, by far, sketchiest shit I ever done is this. Let me go ahead and fight with the other side. I'll cut y'all back on, save some of this battery. That damn shot's still in there. Now I can get up out of there. But yeah, that shit sketchy as hell, yo. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. Alright, YouTube. I finally got all the front end off. As y'all seen, taking the control arms off is very, very sketchy. Really pretty good. Back up, you don't want to get dirty now. But yeah, taking the control arms off is sketchy. So now all I gotta do is clean it up and paint it. Clean it up, sand it down, paint it. And then I can throw the core support and everything back on and start putting this front end on. I think I'm gonna paint the firewall too. That should be quick. I should better knock that out pretty quick. Snatch all them wires out the way. Clean everything up. Spray that. So I'm gonna spray this first. And I spray the firewall and put everything back together. Cut y'all back on when I start prepping that for paint. But that's it for the day. I'm out. All right, now you on camera. What you want to say to YouTube?
I like you.
Tell them, say like, share, comment, subscribe.
I don't want to say it.
You don't want to say like, share, comment, subscribe? It's all right. What you gonna say to the camera?
Like, share, subscribe.
Oh.
I gotta get used to it. I'll cut y'all back on when I start getting busy.